Good evening, everyone. This is Jason, the Headlight Guy. Tonight I'm just going to be showing off a set of 300ZX headlights that have been retrofitted and did something a little bit different. Now, right now, these are fitted with a profile high lens. It has two of those and has a mini H1 projector in there installed as well. Right now, these two lights right here, these are the high lens DRLs. You know, they do exactly what they're supposed to do. You know, they're bright, they're for DRL, but they don't really put out any output onto the road. This is just for daytime running lamps. Now I'm gonna turn around. Right now, about 30 feet away from the wall, you can see mini H1. It's got a nice cutoff. I have a custom bracket in there to give a perfect alignment. So this table's not exactly level. But if you give me half a second here, I will show you how intense this high beam is, because yeah, it's very nice. I'll get this plugged in right here. Take that. We'll plug this in right here. That is a massive hotspot. That's two of those profile high lenses and the bi-xenon projector. So if you want some bright lights, these are some bright lights. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to shoot me a message and I'll do my best to assist you. Have a good night.